everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry I'm looking all crazy. I just finished doing my hair and washed the toner out. But I wanted to show you guys how I do my protein treatment, and this is the one I use. I get it from Sally's. It's not that expensive, but I don't remember how much it was. Sorry about that. Okay, it's really easy to use, so I'm going to show you what I do. You do need wet hair, so if your hair is not wet, just wet it. But we're going to start off with step one. So it says to shake it really well. I don't know why. Maybe it activates it. I don't know. I'm just gonna shake it. Okay, so I'm just ripping it here. And I'm just gonna separate this out. Doesn't have to be perfect. Alright. Okay, so I just grabbed my hair like this, and don't worry too much about the roots. It's mostly for the ends, I believe, because that's where all the breakage happens for me. So I just poured a whole bunch. On that side. I'm gonna do that same thing to the other side. It's really watery, so be careful. And make sure you're wearing like a t-shirt you really don't care about. It's not gonna stain or anything, but this stuff really gets really sticky, so you might not wanna use your favorite shirt. So again, just keep pouring it in your hair as even as you can. So I've only used it once before, but I really love the results. It made my hair soft right away. I could feel the difference. And you can use this every 6 weeks, so I recommend doing that, especially like when you dye your hair really light like me. Okay, so I feel like it's as even as I can get it. It feels really drenched, but that's why it's good to, but that's why you need to use wet hair, because the water kind of helps it spread out. And see if I can just brush it a little bit. Okay, so here's my hair. The next thing you do is you dry it. So all I do is just grab a blow dryer, hang my head upside down, and blow dry it for like about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that, your hair starts to turn really crunchy and super stiff. Don't worry about that, that's normal. That's what's supposed to happen. But just keep drying it until it's like maybe 80% dry if you want, and then let it sit. Do not cover it, don't put a bag over it, don't do anything, just let it dry completely 100% before you wash. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the whole drying process with the blow dryer first. So I'm sorry this is a really weird angle, I'm hanging upside down, but wanted to show you guys. I just let my hair hang upside down, like nothing special. Grab your blow dryer, high heat, and just blow dry. Okay, so I've been blow drying this for about 5 to 7 minutes. But the reason I hang my head upside down is because, like I said, it gets really sticky. So if you blow dry like this, you're not drying the stuff on you, it's just drying on the bottom. But I'm gonna show you, it gets super sticky and crunchy, so this is what you're gonna have. So okay, so you don't have to look all crazy like this, but it's super sticky. Like I said, you can, it feels funny and stuff, but just leave it alone, let it dry 100% before you wash it. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, maybe like 30 minutes. Maybe I'll go outside and let the sun dry it, I don't know. But yeah, just wait for it to dry completely, 100%, to wash it off. So I'll be back. So it's been about 30 minutes and my hair is super crispy, dry. This is what we want. So I'm gonna rinse off my hair. When you rinse it off, don't be too aggressive, let the water soak in because it's really crispy, so it's gonna take a bit. But yeah, I'll be right back. So now we're gonna take our conditioner here and we're gonna put it all over our hair. And we're gonna leave that on for 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes and now I'm just gonna rinse this off and then I'll be right back again. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. I usually do add a little bit more oil to my hair just because it's been through so much. So I usually just let my hair air dry. So I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow when it's dry. But yeah. I love using this protein treatment. As you can see, it does wonders to my hair. My hair is so soft even though it's been through so much. If you guys like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos. And just thank you so much.